Well, good afternoon, parents. I wanted to touch base with all of you and give you kind of an update on our progress and just kind of overall answer some questions that have been popping up for everyone. The library will be open and we will be posting a link for you that will be open and soon so your child can check out books here at Discovery. Also, we are going 3.5 hours a day live. Uh, as we move through the quarter, your child will have additional work to do after the day with me is over. 3.5 hours a day only gets us half of the time that your child is normally in school. We're not going to be able to catch your child up or make progress if we don't utilize the full school day. So I wanted to kind of make that clear that we are moving to a longer day. The first 3.5 hours will be with me, and then the rest of the time will be spent working on assignments at home. So yes, the day will get longer for your child. But what I wanted to do is just take a moment to kind of show you what our day looks like right now. I know that we're making a back to school video that's coming out in the coming weeks, but I want you to see exactly what we've been doing. And maybe you might want to pause the video here, grab your child's bag, grab their things, and look at what they've done and look at what I'm showing you and what should be done. We're not going to do any editing here. We're going to do a rough cut, so please bear with me if I make a mistake. And I know you can only see me down in this tiny, tiny little window. So I apologize. And I have to hold the paper up to the screen. And I, again, apologize to you. I'm doing this from a Chromebook. First thing in the morning, we check in on the attendance page. Make sure that your child checks in through Canvas, please, and logs in. And hopefully we'll get all those issues solved. We do our daily math review, and we're reviewing concepts. And tomorrow is Thursday. Today was Wednesday, and we do this page every morning. There will be things that your child cannot do. That's okay. We spiral through the curriculum, through the year. We gain confidence. We get better. After that, we have our math time. And I kind of wanted to show you what we've done in math together. So it would be a good idea for you to pull out your child's math book, not only to look what we've done, but to look what's coming. Fourth grade math is very difficult. We move very, very fast. This was our first page that we did together, page 7. You can check your child's work there. We do a lot of guided practice. We did page 8 together. We started on page 9. Your child should have notes and work on page number 10. Kind of get that there for you to see. I use this book as my master. We always do that last problem of the chapter. We did page number 12 here, and then on to page 13, comparing and ordering numbers. And we did pages 14. We did page 15. We did 7 through 12. Now, what I do on my math jets, those are kids who move through math very, very quickly. I'll put a star, and you'll see the stars here. This was page number 16 that your child should have finished. And you see those stars. Those stars indicate that those are enrichment problems. We did page 17 together. We did page 18, 19. And you can look at my video and kind of what I'm showing you, what your child is doing. We also did page 20. And today we did a mid-chapter check. And your child was to correct their work. So take a look at their math book, and if you need to pause the video, see how their work matches up with what I'm showing you on the video. After that, we do our grammar and our daily language, and we do that together. And here's Wednesday for week 2, and tomorrow will be Thursday for week 2. When we come back on Monday, we have Monday for week 3. Now, this Friday, we're going to have a math review quiz that will be taken on Google Forms, and we have a language review quiz. And these quizzes are open notes. Your child can use their notes. But please, it's important that I know if your child can or cannot do something. These are small quizzes. I know that I can't be there to watch and monitor, and kids take out calculators or they get on their cell phone and they talk to a buddy. If that happens, what happens is we get an unrealistic expectation of what your child knows and does not know. So I would encourage you to try to monitor that if you can. Then we have our reading book, and all of our lessons are available on Canvas, and we're going to go through Canvas just quickly in just a moment. And all of those stories are available online that I read. Then we have our workbook, and I want to just kind of go through what your child should have finished as you go through the workbook with them on this video. And we did page number 1. They were assigned page number 2, and I will correct this when they turn it in. This third page here we're working on together. We still have one more to do together. You notice how I have a lot of green marks, these little green marks. That meant that I assigned it right there. This page should be finished. That's page 3. Page 4 should be finished on your child's end. We did this activity together. Page 5 should be finished. Page 6 should be finished. We did this bottom part together to help us with this activity on figurative language, which your child should have done this on their own, at least attempted it. Page 7 should be finished. And the final page that should be completed by today is page number 8. So that's a lot to go through. Then what we do is we go online, and I'm going to go into the student view for English, and that is where we're working on turning in an English assignment, a writing assignment online. Next week, we're going to be turning in math assignments online too. We're taking it step by step. We click the Start Learning button, and up comes the English class, and this is the plan for this week. And all of the stories are recorded. We have guest readers. As a 4th grade, we plan together. We do everything the same, though we tend to kind of put our own little spin on things from time to time. But what I want to point out is this journal entry. Every day, your child is to log in and complete a journal entry. Now, today's journal entry, what is your favorite book that you read this summer? We click on Wednesday, and we do this all together every day. And unfortunately, I have to kind of move myself. There we go. Then we hit the next button, and it takes us to our journal prompt. Now, one of the things that 4th graders are learning how to do, and we kind of missed this with not being able to take the CASP test last year, is how do we answer a prompt? So that's what we're focused on right now, is accurately responding to a prompt and writing sentences. So here we have our prompt that we have set out for the 4th grade. You also notice that it says, be sure to use complete sentences and punctuation. This should be a 5 to 10 sentences long. So we have a little typo there, from the instructor who made this. We always find little errors. That's okay. It's part of being human. So we're going to hit the button next, and excuse me, not next. I apologize. We have to go up to submit assignment in order to begin the assignment. Now, I know that's counterintuitive. Why Canvas didn't say start the assignment, I don't know. But we have to click submit assignment in order to access the page where we write. Now, right now we have two modes that you can use to upload a file. One, if you use WordPerfect or another device, you can choose the file from your computer and then paste it here. But the easiest way for your child to make the journal entry is to hit the text entry button. And when we click in the box, you see that it turns red. Today, I made the recommendation to the class to download Grammarly to their Chromebook to have that for spell check and grammar check. What a great tool to help us become a better writer. Now, after the student has written, 5 to 10 complete sentences with capitals and periods, that's how you get full credit. Then you hit submit assignment again, and the assignment will be uploaded to my dashboard. Okay, I just wanted to give you out of a short video, a short lesson on how our day moves through. I know we're moving fast each day. We've had a Zoom issue every week, and then we've been kicked off. It's happening around our district. It's happening in other districts. We do apologize for that. Hopefully, we will be able to purchase Zoom by the end of September, and we'll have a more stable platform for us to use. Please email me through Parent Square any question. We do have a saying in our class, the only silly question is the one that you don't ask. I hope that all of you have a good afternoon, a good evening, and just take some time to go through your child's work, compare it to what I've showed you, and then we'll get off to a good start, and then we'll slowly lengthen that school day out as we move through this distance learning experience. Everybody, thank you very much.